These are the vapor shower steamers, so it is that season where you feel like you're gonna get bunged up. You just want to get through the day or have a good night's sleep, and you just need to get a way to get through it all. These are going to be fabulous. So they are like eucalyptus menthol, like a solid sort of briquette that when you put it into water, it'll just dissolve naturally. And when you do that in the shower, you get in your shower, turn the shower on, pop one of those in the bottom of the shower, and as it gets wet, all the water will rise and it will steam and it will help you to breathe easier. In here, you get 3 of them. If I've got a bit of a cold or a snuffle, this is going to be probably enough to get me through the other side. And that's how they come, just like that. And all you do is open it up and put it in the bottom of your shower, and it'll completely dissolve and wash away, leaving no residues or anything like that. So really handy thing. I don't have a cold right now, but I've got like a little kit. I keep all my bits and pieces in there in anticipation that someone in my house will need this. And they will. And once you feel that way, you don't want to leave the house and go and get stuff or wait until you need it. So this is my in preparation for when the season happens. Fab little stuff. I've used it last year as well. Made me feel so much better, made me feel more human and helped me breathe easily, so I started to get a good night's sleep. So yeah, definitely one to have if you got the snuffles, feeling a bit bunged up, and have it in your kit as well.